5 seconds. First, Brendan Roberts. Second, Simon Claver. Third, Ben. Fourth, Richo. Fifth, Kenneth Beister. Sixth, Peter Dean. Seventh, Nika. First, Simon Claver. Second, Ben. Third, Richo. Fourth, Kenneth Beister. Fifth, Brendan Roberts. Sixth, Nika. Seventh, Peter Dean. First, Richo. Second, Ben. Third, Kenneth Beister. Fourth, Simon Claver. 2 minutes elapsed. Current top 6 are Richo, followed by Ben, followed by Kenneth Beister, followed by Simon Claver, followed by Brendan Roberts, followed by Nika. Fifth, Brendan Roberts. Sixth, Nika. Seventh, Peter Dean. First, Richo. Second, Ben. Third, Kenneth Beister. Fourth, Simon Claver. Fifth, Brendan Roberts. First, Richo. Second, Ben. Third, Simon Claver. Sixth, Peter Dean. Fourth, Kenneth Beister. Seventh, Nika. Fifth, Brendan Roberts. First, Richo. Second, Simon Claver. Third, Ben. Fourth, Kenneth Beister. Sixth, Peter Dean. 4 minutes remaining. Current top 6 are Richo, followed by Simon Claver, followed by Ben, followed by Kenneth Beister, followed by Brendan Roberts, followed by Peter Dean. 7th, Nika. 5th, Brendan Roberts. First, Richo. Second, Simon Claver. Third, Ben. Fourth, Kenneth Beister. Sixth, Peter Dean. First Simon Claver. Second Richo. Third Ben. 3 minutes remaining. Current top 3 are Simon Claver, followed by Richo, followed by Ben. 7th Nika. 4th Kenneth Beister. 5th Brendan Roberts. First Simon Claver. Second Richo. Third Ben. Fourth Kenneth Beister. Sixth Nika. Minutes remaining. Current top 6 are Simon Claver, followed by Richo, followed by Ben, followed by Kenneth Beister, followed by Brendan Roberts, followed by Nika. First Richo. Second Simon Claver. Third Ben. Fourth Kenneth Beister. First Richo. Second Simon Claver. Fifth Brendan Roberts. Third Ben. Fourth Kenneth Beister. Sixth Nika. 1 more minute remaining. First Richo. Second Simon Claver. Third Ben. Fourth Kenneth Beister. Fifth Nika. First Richo. Second Simon Claver. Third Ben. Driver finished work here. Fourth Kenneth Beister done. First Richo done. Second Simon Claver done. Fifth Nika done. Third Ben done. Race complete. Next race 2WD Outlaw Classic Main 3.